So these are a whole bunch of cicadas on this plant. One giant plant, whole bunch of cicadas. Really, guys. Let me just no sense. Okay. Leave you guys alone. Oh my God! You look at that. Okay. Fly, little buddy. It made it. Oh my God. Oh my, what the hell in the shell? I don't know. Can you actually see it? See? Oh my goodness. It's like a big nest. Oh my God. Come on there. And there's a lot of shells on there and cicadas. But if you're cicada hunting, this might be our jet. Hey, buddy. Yeah. Oh my God, you. Hello to the camera. Okay. Fly. Oh my God. Where he landed. Hey, buddy. Oh my God. Look at the camera. Dude, look. Focus. And fly. Oh my God. Oh, there's 3 cicadas on here. It's one big plant. That's horrifying. Yeah. So there's a whole bunch of cicadas. And, that one looks like it's gonna lay an egg. Well, sorry, don't mind your business. Oh my God, that's disgusting. And it flew. Yeah, so, lots of cicadas. So, man.